Bengaluru Smart City Limited, as a part of Placemaking Marathon 3.0 under the Smart Cities mission, undertook a 10 days urban transformation implementation event with the objective of reimagining the public places and physically transform 7 potential public places in Bengaluru to make them more people-friendly. The micro park along the JP Nagar Nala stretch. Why was this site selected for Placemaking Marathon 3.0? The goal is to improve the narrow, irregular piece of land that is left vacant and dirty along the Raja Kaluve. What were the key interventions undertaken in the Placemaking Marathon? The design includes a paved footpath area, entry to the park, fencing the leftover areas, and a proposed kitchen garden with information panels about the importance of the herbs. What were the key outcomes of the proposed interventions? These urban pockets help to promote active and healthy lifestyles, mitigate air pollution, increase biodiversity, and educate the kids of the respective neighborhood with their medicinal and kitchen herb gardens. This project has received active participation by the local resident association of JP Nagar. This is a pilot project that is being implemented and can be used as a prototype in other areas too.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ ಏನಿದೆ, ಈ ಬಡಾವಣೆಯ ಕಸ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂಡದು ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಬಡಾವಣೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾದರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು.